back to my channel. As in the previous lecture video, we have discussed that what are nesting and indentation, as it was our last lecture video of HTML course, and from today onwards we will start our next language, which is CSS. But before CSS, we will cover some of the few topics that are related to HTML, and it will be very helpful for you guys to learn more about HTML and about CSS. So let's get started. Okay, so our today's main topic is file paths. That what are file paths and how many types of file paths are there. So basically, file paths are defined as the file path is the location of a file or a folder that are in your dictionary project. In HTML, we use file paths in src or in her href. They are both used in src and in herf. We'll give a quick example that image tag image tag, and the src is equal to, we've got an image slash photo, and we'll dot jpg, and we'll open it in tab. So here is a quick example of the file path in our herf and src attribute. Or we can also use this, like, I'll give another example, like a attribute or a tag herf is equal to our daily document or our main document resume. We will give it a resume.pdf file slash download. So here is in the example of herf and src. Okay, so now we will discuss its types, that how many types are there. So basically there are two types of file paths. One is called the absolute path. One is called the absolute path, and another is the relative path. So these are the two types of file paths, and we'll discuss it. So basically, absolute file, its a path is a full URL. It starts with https. It starts with like this and two slashes, or http dot slashes, and here is the s and here is no s. So it starts with both of these two tags. Okay, we'll give a quick example of absolute path, that how it is used. Okay, so we'll give an example for an image, that img src is equal to https slash my website, my web or my web.com slash image. Okay, here is no space, so I will write it here, slash logo and dot png comma, here is the angle bracket. So here is the example of absolute path for images. Okay, so basically absolute path when linking to external website or file online, like we use them like for the external websites or for the files that are online. Okay, now we will discuss that what are relative paths or relative paths. Relative paths are used to link files inside your own project folder. Like there is a project folder that you own it, and the links are present in that project folder. So I will give you an example, like suppose your project folder look like this, like project, okay, it's broader. Oh, it's all joined. Okay, we will just take it. Okay, so like assume that you're suppose that your project folder look like this, like project and okay, index.html, index.html, and another one is images, and within the images there are cat.jpg, and the another one is the css, and within the css there are style dot css. So here is an example of relative path, that here is your project folder, and within the project folder there are several files or paths, that for example index.html, images and css, and within the images here is another file which is named by cat.jpg, and within the css there is another file which is named as style.css. So here was a quick example of relative path, that how it is used in your website or in your folders. So now for index.html you can write as, for index.html you can write that angle bracket image src is equal to image and slash cat dot jpg comma angle bracket. So for the image you can write like this. Okay, so now I will meet you in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now I'm here in the Visual Studio Code, and I have copy pasted the file path of this lecture that I have given in our WhatsApp community. You have to copy from there and paste it at here. So within the file path there are two folders, with the folder 0 and the folder 1, and within the folder 0 there are several pictures, like first is the goal, like we have to do like this for the rango, and for the reference like all animals, rabbit, cat, dog, fish and the bird, and our index is this, like we have to write on this our goal is this, like we have to do like this, like all animals, rabbit, and the ifgsrc is equal to the image address, like this is the image address, and alt is equal to rabbit. Basically alt refers to like the for example here is the rabbit's picture, so in the image or in the object what is the object doing and what is the image happening. For example here I will give an image of a man holding a cat. So in alt I will write as like a man holding a cat. So basically it refers to the object and the subject, that what are they performing, and we will write in the alt. And here is the cat, the dog, the fish and the bird. So we will write this all in the index.html. Okay, first for the remit, so we will write as angle bracket img space src is equal to, we will copy paste a rabbit picture from google.com. I will right click rabbit, okay, and I will choose, for example choose this picture, it's cute, and copy its address and paste it at here, control V. So it's like 1.0 KB picture, so I will cut it like till here, I will cut it, and okay, Now I will write its alt and is equal to a rabbit, RABBIT. Now it's rabbit, and now the second one is a cat, angle bracket img and space src is equal to copy paste and a cat picture. Okay, a cat picture. So, cat picture, I like this one picture, or we can choose any of the picture. Like I will choose this picture, copy its address and paste it at here. It's also so long, so I will just simply like cut it till here, delete, and comma alt is equal to and a rabbit. No, sorry, it's a cat. Okay, it's a cat. Okay, now I will go with the dog, that angle bracket img space src is equal to, here will be the dog picture. Okay, we'll go for the dog, dog. I will choose this picture, copy its address and paste it at here. It's also so long, so I will just simply cut it till here, like till here. I will delete it and apply the comma. Okay, it's already applied, so I will cut it. Okay, now alt and is equal to, and it's a dog. Okay, and now the fish img space src is equal to, now the fish picture, fish. I will choose, for example, I will choose these pictures T and copy paste it here, and it's so long, so I will simply cut it and I cut it till here. And apply the comma. Alt is equal to, it's a fish, so I will write fish. Okay, the second one is the bird, img src is equal to a bird picture. We will take from here the bird picture. I like this one, so I will copy its address and paste it at here, and it's also too long, so I will just simply cut it. alt is equal to, it's a bird, bird, bird. Okay, so here I have applied all the images address and alt of the image, of the images and images. Okay, okay, I will run it now. I will click on this button, the run button, and I will start debugging or run without debugging. So I will choose this, or you have if you have Edge, Microsoft Edge, you will press it on Microsoft Edge, and if you have Chrome, so you will press it on the Chrome. So here we have the all the animals, rabbit, or all the pictures of the birds, like rabbit, cat, dog and the fish. So it was the today's lecture. I hope you have learned something new, and if you like this video please leave a comment and subscribe to support this channel, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.